We've all been there. That moment when you feel like you're just going through the motions, day in and day out. That feeling of being stuck in a rut, like a hamster on a wheel, endlessly running but getting nowhere. You find yourself going through the motions without any real spark, just a monotonous routine that seems to drain your energy. You wake up, go to work, come home, maybe watch some TV and repeat. The days blur together, each one feeling like a carbon copy of the last. Where did the excitement go? The thrill of new experiences and the joy of pursuing your passions. That drive to conquer the day and chase your dreams. It seems to have faded into the background, replaced by a sense of stagnation. It's easy to feel lost in the mundane, but the good news is you're not alone. Many people experience this feeling at some point in their lives. Millions of people struggle with motivation, and it's not a sign of weakness. It's a common human experience, and there are ways to overcome it. Motivation isn't some magical force that appears out of thin air. It's often the result of a complex interplay of factors, from our goals and beliefs to our environment and habits. Our surroundings, the people we interact with, and even our daily routines can all influence our level of motivation. It's about finding what works for you. Sometimes we lose sight of what truly matters, and other times fear and self-doubt creep in, whispering doubts in our ears. These negative thoughts can be paralyzing. But here's the key. Understanding why you lack motivation is the first step toward reclaiming it. By identifying the root causes, you can begin to address them and reignite that inner spark. Start small, set achievable goals, and celebrate your progress. Remember, it's a journey, and every step forward is a victory. Surround yourself with positivity, seek support from loved ones, and keep pushing forward. You have the power to break free from the rut and rediscover your passion for life. One of the biggest motivation killers is a lack of clear goals. When we don't have a clear vision of what we want to achieve, our efforts can feel scattered and unfocused. Without a destination in mind, it's easy to wander aimlessly. Imagine trying to navigate a city without a map or a plan. You'd likely end up lost and frustrated. Think about it. If you were going on a road trip, wouldn't you first decide where you wanted to go? Setting goals is like plotting your course on a map. It gives you a clear path to follow. Goals provide direction and purpose. They act as a guiding star, helping us stay focused and motivated even when the journey gets tough. Fear of failure is another motivation crusher. This fear can be so overwhelming that it stops us from even trying. We all want to succeed, but the fear of falling short can paralyze us. It's like standing on the edge of a diving board, too scared to take the plunge. This fear often stems from a lack of self-belief. When we doubt our abilities, we start to question whether we have what it takes to achieve our goals. We start to doubt our abilities, questioning whether we have what it takes to achieve our goals. This self-doubt can be crippling, making even the smallest tasks seem insurmountable. Procrastination is a master of disguise, often masquerading as laziness. But it's more than just putting things off. It's a way to avoid the discomfort of facing our fears. But at its core, procrastination is a way to avoid uncomfortable emotions, like fear or anxiety. We distract ourselves with other activities to escape the stress of our responsibilities. We put things off, hoping these feelings will magically disappear. But in reality, the longer we wait, the more these emotions build up, making it even harder to get started. The good news is that motivation is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Just like physical exercise, the more you practice staying motivated, the easier it becomes to maintain that drive and energy. One of the best ways to boost motivation is to set small, achievable goals. These small wins can build momentum and give you a sense of accomplishment, which fuels further motivation. Instead of trying to climb Mount Everest in a day, start with base camp. This means taking one step at a time and appreciating the journey, not just the destination. Break down large tasks into smaller milestones, making them feel less daunting. This approach helps you to stay focused and reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing these small victories can boost your confidence and keep you motivated to tackle the next challenge. Did you finally clean your desk? Great. A tidy workspace can lead to a clear mind, making it easier to stay motivated and productive. Did you go for a walk today? Fantastic. Physical activity, even something as simple as a walk, can boost your mood and energy levels, helping you stay motivated. Acknowledging your wins, big or small, reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. Create a supportive environment where you can thrive. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your goals. Their support can provide the encouragement you need to keep pushing forward. Their encouragement and positive energy can make a world of difference. Having a support system can help you stay on track and remind you of your potential. And don't be afraid to seek guidance from mentors or coaches. They can offer valuable insights, advice, and motivation to help you reach your goals. Remember, motivation is a journey, not a destination.